Hi, welcome to my channel. What is a burglar alarm system? A burglar alarm system consists of a series of electrical components that are connected to a property. Via sensors and contacts, they detect movement or the opening of doors and windows, upon which a loud alarm is produced to alert those nearby of the unauthorized entry. Often deemed to be a security essential, these systems are a universal fixture of most premises. Burglar alarm systems can be used in a diverse range of applications, including industrial areas such as offices, warehouses and factories, residential homes and garages, commercial premises including shops, restaurants and hotels, storage facilities. Before get into list best burglar alarm, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share my valuable video. So let's start.
Number 5 is Smart Siren Alarm Wireless Alarm for Home Security. World's longest wireless range. Powered by low-raw technology, the long-range yet low-power system offers the industry's longest receiving range in the market, 1/4 mile. Our long-range coverage enables its use in areas challenging for most residential Wi-Fi systems, such as basements, outdoor porch/patio areas, sheds, freestanding garages, even remote outbuildings on your property. Economical and powerful Siren. This economical wireless and portable loud 110 decibel smart siren adds audible and visible alarms to your existing Yo-Link system or can work alone as a panic alarm. Add an attention-getting siren to your system to immediately notify you of water leaks/flooding, door and window status changes, and high/low temperature or humidity conditions, allowing you to respond quick. Simple and easy. Yo-Link Scan and Play smartphone app feature will have your siren up and ready in just a couple minutes. And the siren alarm could not be easier to install. Just add it to the app, and place it on any stable surface or mount it to the wall with a screw or nail, for a more permanent installation. Done. Begin using your siren and enjoy security and peace of mind. The siren alarm can be used as a standalone panic alarm, Yo-Link hub required. But team it up with a door/window sensor, or with a water leak or temp humidity sensor and you'll have an economical yet effective home and property protection system. Yo-Link app provides you with emails, text messages and phone banner alerts. Number 4 is SABRE HS-MSA Wireless Motion Sensor Home Security Burglar Alarm.
Every day, there are approximately 25,000 burglaries in the United States. To make matters more complicated, the average response time to a 911 call is now 11 minutes as the economy has reduced the size of police forces. We need a way to protect our homes and our families. Give your home some added security with the SABRE Motion Sensing Alarm. This 120 decibel alarm sounds when movement is detected. Its coverage area is very impressive, with 120-degree wide-angle detection. The Chime mode is perfect to announce guests and tenants during the day, while the alarm mode is a great option while sleeping or away. The keypad control and entry or exit delays make this motion sensor alarm an extremely practical way to help secure your home. Boost your home security with the SABRE Motion Sensing Alarm.
Number 3 is KERUI Wireless Per Motion Sensor Doorbell. It is combined with motion detection, 90 dB alert and flashing blue light, 26 m detection range in open area. This standalone, all-in-one chime alarm plays an important role in informing you of intruder or visitor. The Per Motion Chime Sensor Alarm is suitable for shop, office, home, business etc. to alert you when it detects movement, user-friendly operation and easy installation. Favorable home alarm system. Voice/alarm/music mode for you to select with mode button according to the need. Ding dong, hello, welcome in voice mode. About 15 seconds continuous alarm sound in alarm mode. Play the music you select in music mode. 4 levels volume adjustable with volume button. Total 32 music selectable with music button. There are 2 ways to power this doorbell chime. 9 to 15 volts power adapter and 3 AAA battery and easy to install. 12-month warranty, technical support and friendly responsive customer service within 24 hours. Number 2 is CPVAN Motion Sensor Alarm, Wireless Infrared Home Security System. The CPVAN 2x screw. 1x instruction manual. Number 1 is KERUI upgraded home security system. Technical parameters. 1. 12 mm in length, 10.2 mm in width, 11 mm in height. 2. Power, AC 110 volts / 220 volts. The length of the power cable is about 92 cm / 3 feet. Can be extended by yourself. 3. The wireless operating frequency, 433 MHz. 4. The use of the environment stability, -1555. Relative humidity, 40% - 70%. The normal workable distance from the sensors to the horn, host, is about 328 feet, 100 meters in open area. Barriers will lessen this distance. And if you are closer to Siren/control unit, it loud up to 115 dB. The longer the distance, the decibel will be reduced. Hope you can understand. The burglar alarm system comes with fully programmed. Do not have to program anything. After you get it, open each sensor excluded remote control, and pull out the little paper tab near the battery so it then powers up the unit. Install the PER sensor and door/window sensor in somewhere need to protect. The Siren horn is powered by a 110V to 220V AC adapter. Plug it in outlet. Will hear beep. Then use the remote key fob to arm or disarm the system. Along with the alarm horn will beep to remind you it in working arm/disarm status. In arm status, when doors open even a little or motion sensor detect objects. Horn screams up to 115 dB, scare off intruders and alert you or your neighborhood of a possible break-in.